na kailangan palitan ang clothing.
Again, part po yan ng pag-conceal kasi na-identify po yung damit. For example, kung at that day, yung mga kapitbahay po, yun yung suot niya, ganyan. Or kung nakapag-selfie siya, meron yung pong nagreklamo sa amin, favorite clothes daw kasi, kaya nalaman siya. So, Your Honor, if there is something to apologize, it's the poor editing. But I think it has served its purpose of concealing the identity, Your Honor.
So at least inaamin nyo, ayan, marami kasi mga nagtatanong, nagsabi, purang pagka-edit.
I'm
So
sorry,
inaamin nyo, edited ito.
we're not very good at editing the clothes.
Pero yung tao hindi edited.
Hindi po, totoo po
Tunay na
yan.
tao to.
Tunay na tao po yan.
Okay. So kaya sabi ko mamaya sa executive session, gusto ko malaman niya, identity nitong taon to, pati yung nanalo sa 690 million.
Actually,
Make sure na
lahat
talaga
po
tao.
on record yan, kung isusumpinan niyo po, we can provide the names.
No, sa executive session, pwede naman siguro yan. Am I right, Senator Coco? Can we do that? On executive session?